guys, I'm just going to run through some brow massage. I use the Ellie Shield when I am performing a service on the brow area, and there's some techniques that help lift that brow area. Now coming down and always keeping the eyes lifted, so when I come down to the nose area, I always lift to the outer edges of the face and hold, always bringing up and lifting up the eye area using both of my fingers and some medium pressure. I do find that having the Ellie Shield helps your fingers slip better. In here, this is a very sore pressure point area, which is great for headaches and tension and stress. So just work your fingers along the brow bone, and always remember to work slow. Take a deep breath. This is a moment for you to relax in your service as well. And the great thing about this massage is that it is good for lymphatic drainage, great for sinus issues and things like that. So I hold my fingers on the side of their temple and slowly release. And this is something very relaxing that you can do. You can then repeat the process, or you can use 2 of your fingers along the brow bone as seen here, and just brushing over that brow area. It feels so amazing. And just slowly brushing your fingers up onto the forehead lifts that forehead area, which can hold a lot of tension.